If you'd like to see how I'm going to transform this Welch'S Sparkling Rosé bottle into this lovely glitter and rhinestone embellished bottle, keep watching this video. Hey YouTube! So today in this video I'm going to be adding some glitter to this Welch'S Sparkling Rosé, and this is non-alcoholic beverage. And I think this is going to be very pretty. This was actually a gift to me from my aunt for my birthday. She knows that I like grape juice. It would be a really cute thing to get me. And I'm glad she did, because it made me think about something. That if you want to give something like this to someone and you're either not sure if they drink, or if maybe drinking is something that they've struggled with in their life, this is an excellent gift to give someone who is actually sober, or someone who just can't have alcohol for medical reasons, or even if it's just their personal preference, like me. I just don't prefer to have alcohol beverages, period, ever. No matter the occasion, it's just not my thing. And there's other people out there like that as well. So I thought this would be a cute little thing to do, just to make for myself, because this was a gift to me. And I'm going to be using some pink glitter. And it's just called Purple Pink, and it's a holographic glitter. I purchased my my big glitter shakers from papermart.com. I'll be using some Mod Podge to apply the glitter, and I always use the gloss kind. And I'll be using a sponge brush to go ahead and brush it on. So First, I'm going to start off by adding the Mod Podge glue to the areas of the bottle that I'm going to be adding glitter. I want to make sure that I'm adding the glue on very evenly and nice and smooth. Then you'll take your glitter and you'll just pour it right on. You'll pour it everywhere that you've applied the glue. And make sure that it's nice and smooth, because your glitter will be nice and smooth as well. Just so I can dust off any excess. And I decided that I don't really want this on the side. I don't really care for this to show. So what I'm going to actually do is take my brush and just kind of go about like right there. So there can be glitter covering this area. I'd rather see glitter. And if it's not a perfect straight line, I really don't care. I just want to have like a little separation right there. And let's see. I think it looks better having that covered. And I'm just going to continue on. And don't worry about areas where you missed or it looks like it's a little blotchy, because you're going to do 2 coats. I'm going to do the same thing on this side. I don't really want to see the nutritional facts, so I'll just take that right off. Just like that. So covering up some of this label wasn't as hard as I thought it was going to be. Again, you could take an X-Acto knife, cut it off, and try to get it off that way. That would be a little difficult. So I went the easy route, and it came out nice. I find it better to do the Mod Podge in sections instead of just putting all the glue on at once, because this way you can kind of see where you're doing better, and then you don't want the glue to start to dry up on you. Now when I do my second coat, sometimes I will try to go like with a heavier amount and try to cover up as much of the bottle as possible to get it done all in one take. But once you get a good flow going, then you'll be able to see what works best for you. This is coming together really nicely. Pink is my absolute favorite color, so this is really nice to me. But I believe they do have this in other flavors, and you're welcome to use different color glitters. This would definitely be something nice if you're having an event. You can definitely use the color glitter that's going to match whatever your decor colors are, or you can go with some holiday colors. I'm going to be doing more of these bottles in the later video, more dedicated to fall colors for Thanksgiving or Christmas. Coat of glitter. I'm gonna let this dry for about maybe 30 minutes, and I'll come back and I'll add a second coat. Okay, so now I'm going to add a second layer of glitter to this bottle. So I'm using Mod Podge. Again, if you fast forwarded to this point and you're wondering what glue I use, I'm using Mod Podge Glue to apply the glitter. I don't seal with Mod Podge, but you're welcome to do so. I just use a different product that I think that doesn't take away from the shininess of the glitter. And for some reason, I don't think I recorded that, so please do forgive me. I seal the glitter with a product called Liquid Glass by TriArt, and it's a very nice product. It has a very thin consistency, but I feel like it keeps the glitter nice and shiny, and it seals very well. To dry. The piece that I showed you, I cut it in half so it's a little thinner because it was kind of thick. So I'm just gonna kind of measure up how I want this to go. And cut it out and try to glue this on with some hot glue to see how that goes. I just want to see. If the hot glue doesn't work out, that's fine because I have some E6000. I'll use that. You don't have to add any rhinestones. This is optional. You can add rhinestones individually. This strip was just really cute. Like a really rubbery material already, and the hot glue is so hot. The good thing about this, it is high temperature, but I can also switch it to low temperature. So I'm gonna put this on low for this project. So I'm almost finished with this, and unfortunately I did forget to show you where I sealed the glitter. I used Liquid Glass. If you don't have a product called Liquid Glass by TriArt, you can always use Mod Podge, but I have a whole playlist dedicated to me glittering bottles and wine bottles and liquor bottles, and I use the product there, so you're welcome to see it there. But I'm almost finished. Okay, you guys, here is the final finished product, and I think this looks very, very pretty. Pink is my favorite color. I love the shimmery glitter. You definitely want to make sure that you do seal your glitter. Like I said, I did forget to include that in this video, so please forgive me for that. I usually don't come with the incomplete video, but for whatever reason, I forgot to hit record. So again, you could check out that process of other videos that I've glittered bottles in my playlist that I'll have at the end of this video. A great project that you can do. It's very simple. And then also just think about what you could do with the colors for this. A gift that you can bring to the holiday parties or birthday parties or gatherings where people just don't want to drink real alcohol. This is non-alcoholic beverage. I haven't tried it. I may open it one day. I'm not sure. Maybe, maybe not. It looks really pretty. But when you have these type of bottles, you can most definitely open them, fill them back up with water, and put them out on display. You don't want to throw these away. It's like a really pretty keepsake. But I do like this. The rhinestones are optional. If you don't feel like adding the individual rhinestones, using a strip, something like this, what I did, is a great way just to add that little pop of sparkle. So I hope that you guys did find this video helpful. Please give this video a thumbs up or share it on Facebook. That would be a wonderful way to support this channel. And you can follow me on Instagram at Life is a Whole Vibe with underscores in between each word. And again, this is a great gift to give someone who's sober, who has sobriety issues, or someone who just personally does not like to drink. So thanks again for watching. Bye-bye. And we do carry faux leather inspired designer fabric for your crafting needs, luxury inspired croc charms, as well as iron-on patches and much more. Enjoy the coupon code MyRoyalBeauty10OFF. Check out our website, crtacticaldefense.com, where we do sell in-waistband gun holsters, belly band holsters, and many more. Please check out my discount code VIBES for a special discount for my subscribers.